good morning, happy weekend, and this is my birthday. Time check is 10 to 9 ng umaga. Wala pa akong hilamos, as in bagong gising. Late kami natulog kagabi, mga 12 na yata kami natulog. Kasi galing ako ng LS ni Beshi Birang, and then we sorted some stuff, like may inaayos kami kasi we are going for camping. Kami soon for 2 weeks, so we're gonna be busy today kasi kailangan namin mamili ng few stuff. And ewan ko kung nasabi ko sa inyo before na we used to go camping before and we had a camper van, but we sold it kasi ewan ko anong naisipan ni Mister, and then may nagpumilit na bumili nun, and ang offer niya is higher yung pagbili niya sa pagbili namin, so give up na rin ni Mister, kaya bumili na lang kami ng normal car, and then ngayon back to zero kami. Hindi naman yung back to zero. Ang ano lang namin gagawin this time is magti-tent na lang kami. Hindi na camper van. But I don't mind. Kasi alam mo na, sanay sa hirap. At saka masaya ang camping over. Nakaka-relax yung camping. I don't mind kung lang kami magti-tent. Pero maganda naman siya na tent, di ba? So, ang dami ko ng chika. Naka-order na kami ng tent. And then, I think we're gonna pick it up tomorrow. Kasi tomorrow pa siya available to pick up. Ang gagawin lang namin today, mag-grocery kami for the whole week. And then, mamili ng mga dapat bilhin na dadali namin sa camping. So, ayan ang gagawin natin. Mag-coffee muna ako kasi kumulo na yung kettle. Coffee tayo, guys. Andito na yung coffee ko. Ano lang to, coffee and coffee mate. Wala na akong coffee ko at saka masarap naman pala siya, yung coffee mate. So, nakakasave ako unti sa coffee ko kasi mahal lang coffee ko dito eh. So, ayan na yung coffee ko nowadays. So, coffee ako, tapos aantayin lang namin si James magising. Ang hirap po lang tripod. And he's gonna have his breakfast and we'll get ready and we're gonna make a move. Dadalhin ko kayo mamaya. OOTD! Alis na tayo. Boo! Alis na tayo, guys, and we're heading to Peterborough. Ang biyahe is 40 minutes away from here. So, we're gonna arrive there around 12 o'clock or maybe 12:15 siguro. Kasi 11. So, bora na tayo, people.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Dito na kami, guys. And we're just trying to park the car. Ayan yung shop na pupuntahan natin. It said, go outdoors, the UK's biggest outdoor store. Diyan tayo papasok.
Cycling, riding, running, skiing.
Go camping, go walking, go caravanning, go skiing, go running, go riding, go cycling, go fishing, go climbing. Dito na kami sa loob, guys. Pero may music. Ano ba? Malaki siya. Ayan, oh. I think we're gonna go upstairs kasi nasa taas yung camping stuff. si Mr. tumitingin ng lamp because we need more lamp. Ayun yun sa taas. Fishing, camping, caravaning, sleeping. Ayan. Akyat tayo dyan maya-maya. Marami pa naman silang naka-sale. Most of it is half price. Ayan oh. Excited si little monkey. Umakyat. Yeah, look at the bed. Bed agad ang sumalubong. Ayan guys, yung ano, mga camping bed. This looks better, Daddy. This one, look. Nice one, this one. This bed. King size, this one. Dito tayo guys sa cooking stuff. I think we need a cooker. Oh, here, honey, look. Here. Oh, they got this one. 89. That one. Or this one. We need this one because it's got a toaster. This one, Daddy, look. It's got a toaster. I think this is 54. This one. My built-in siya na case, and then it's got a grill on it. 54. Yeah. Oh, nanguha na ng bike. No, this is not for you. Yeah, you already got bike, love. Ito yung mga sleeping bags for camping. Tapos more bed. Airbed. They're only a cheap one though, but I don't think they're comfy. Balik kami sa baba muna. They got more bigger size. Ito kami sa furniture guys. Oh, this is not bad. I like this one. Look. 79 pounds. Ando na yung isa oh. Yung sofa, yung lang siya, inflatable na sofa. Tapos ito, yung mga ganito, mayroon na kami niyan before kasi hindi namin binigay sa bumili ng camper van, pero wala kaming ganito. We need a table. Look, this one is a set one.
1, 2,
I like this one. This is quite nice. This one, honey. Yung isa oh. Yeah, it's a set, and then it's 79 pounds. You save 51, it said. Is it comfy? Really comfy though. Oh, it's a comfy. Comfy. Comfy niya. Maganda. Parang din. Parang hindi siya inflatable. Is it the only one left? Oh, yeah. Isa na lang daw yung Maganda siya. Comfy. Silang mga tent dito, guys, na naka set up. But I don't think they have here yung yung binili namin na tent. Parang wala yata dito yung tent na binili namin. So ayan, they got few. I think it's a bit similar, that one, kanang yung blue. Bit similar yung nabili namin. Titignan nga natin, meron din dito. Ito na yung dalawa oh. Puno na isang basket. Come on, follow Daddy. Go boy. Shopping for more. Camping for more. That's it. Help Daddy. Go boy. Is it heavy? Wow. Yeah. Watch where you're going. Daddy. Mr. Blonde hair, little boy. Wow, struggle is real na. Yeah, good luck sa babayaran nyo. Bahala kayo dyan. Dalawang basket full already. Bahala kayo dyan. Dito na kami sa car, guys. We're done. Pero hindi pa lahat. So, ayan yung aming nabili. We got 2 baskets. And we save a little bit because... Oh, ang laki ng save natin, Daddy. Yeah, we saved 182 pounds of that card. Look. Yeah, we saved 182 from the card. Yeah, that's good. Makdi kami, guys. Nakapag-order na ako and I'm struggling kasi walang counter order. At yung hinhanap ko wala silang chicken wrap kasi sold out na daw. So, nag-burger lang ako. And here's my buddy. Hi, James. Kain tayo, guys. Meron na akong quarter pounder. Tapos, apple pie. Si James, ice cream. Hati kami ng ice cream. And he's gonna have chips with ketchup. Mr. got latte and ice cream in the club house burger. Kain tayo. Busy na sila, oh. Kain. Dito kami sa ano pala, guys, sa The Range. Tingin kami ng more camping stuff. Kasi wala kaming heating. Ano siya, mga outdoor, indoor na pang display na medyo mura siya na siya. I always wanted to have this one. Ang ganda to, mag chill ba. Marami sila dito. Okay man din. Iba na naman yung tinignan natin. Mapapasubo na naman tayo dito. Nice, oh. Gusto ko to. Kasi sabi ni Mr. pambabae daw. Inflatable bed. Unicorn. Nice, this one. Isn't it? It's just a shame. This one. Oh, look. But I wanna, 3 to 6 year old. That's a nice one, isn't it? It's not gonna fall. That's a good thing. Paddling pool? Meron din silang ano, guys, mga furniture. Pero sabi ni Mr. they are only cheap and cheerful. You know, yung mga mumurahin lang. But I don't think it's gonna last long. But it still looks good. Diba? Tignan niyo itong double bunk bed. 149 lang siya. Pero hindi kasama yung mattress. Meron din doon. Yeah, maraming choices dito. Nice. Oh, Eiffel Tower na lamp. Naghahabulan na yung dalawa. Daddy. Oh, maganda rin, oh. Diba? Shala. Bongga. Bahay na kami, guys.
200 kilos.
And hindi namin namalayan yung oras. Mag-aalas 5 na. It's 4:30 na. Init. And I think we did not get everything. Hindi kami nakabili ng heater. Anyway, heater. Tapos bukas na namin i-pick up yung tent. And bukas na kayo mag-grocery. So, ayan, ang showgood ko. Lakad-lakad mo na sobrang init. Pero, marami kaming, nabili namin yung ibang kailangan. Nabili kami ng sofa bed, sofa, inflatable sofa, table, cooker, got some lamp, and some electric socket, mga ganun. So, yan. So, that's it for our video today, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, everyone. Stay safe. Be good. Bye.